Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use and navigate different diary types. Changing the type of the diary will allow you to view and organize the diary for sufficient management of bookings. You have the possibility to view several diaries at once. If the practice has more than one practitioner, they will be able to view multiple days on one screen, allowing them to see all the bookings in the coming days. You are able to customize the view of the diary to suit the specific needs of the practice. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the Diary Types drop-down in the top right corner to access the different views of the diary. We will now take a look at the various diary types in the drop-down menu. Diary, which is the default display, is the standard view of the diary. The multi-day view will allow you to view bookings over several days. It will also allow you to use all the functions as with the regular diary view. For more information regarding the multi-day view, please refer to the multi-day diary user manual linked in this video's description. The multi-diary view will allow you to see more than one practitioner's diary at the same time. For more information regarding the multi-diary view, please refer to the multi-diary user manual linked in this video's description. Now, the Audit Diary is used by the medical billing bureaus as an administration tool. Click on the Filter Options panel for access to these options. For more information regarding the Audit Diary view, please refer to the Audit Diary user manual linked in this video's description.